This will run for 3 days. We have right now over 400 registered participants. Let's see how many of them show up. Of course, as usual these days, this conference takes place somewhere in cyberspace, somewhere in the internet, but maybe you are still curious where we are actually located, that is, we the organizers. And so we are at the Max Planck Institute for the Science of Light, which is in the south of Germany. The institute conducts research on fundamental phenomena involving light, ranging all the way from light coupling to nanostructures, for example, in quantum technologies, up to light in biophysical phenomena. I'm leading the theory division. My name is Florian Marquardt. And while we have been very active in, say, hybrid quantum systems or light matter interfaces, in the past 3 years, it's fair to say our focus has been physics for machine learning and machine learning for physics, and hence also the workshop that we're organizing now. If you're interested to learn about our work, then you are invited to go to the website of the Institute that is displayed here and learn about the work of the theory division. I have a co-organizer who is Leopoldo Sarra. Maybe you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, I'm here. Hello, everybody.
Right, and there was a little mix-up with the Zoom link, so some of you may have the name of the co-organizer, and please rename yourself. Going on, we have 3 days of talks. The talks will be recorded and typically be available later as far as the speakers agree, and I think most of them have agreed. We do not record the questions after the talk and the panel discussion because we don't want to bother getting written permission from everyone. If you do have questions, I think it's better to wait after the end of the talk because these are only 30-minute talks. We have 10 minutes for questions, so we hope to have a lively discussion. And when you do have a question, please just have a queue in the Zoom chat window and then wait for the chairperson to call you. This is the program of today: 2 talks before the break, then a break, and then afterwards 3 talks. We also will have a conference photo, that's tomorrow, after the first 2 talks at the start of the break. And then finally, I just want to mention that tomorrow we will have our poster session, and this will take place in another platform, gather.town. We will say a little bit more about it tomorrow. But essentially it's a little avatar which you can use to move around between the posters and look at the posters and then have a video chat with other participants at the posters. And now that brings me to the end of this very brief introduction, and I will turn over to Renato Renner from ETH, who will chair the first session.